to me, they're statement pieces. Especially the one in our son's bedroom is a total statement piece.
Katie's son's room features the vault ceiling fan, and I don't think I could have picked a better ceiling fan to put in this space.
And it just blends right in with the rest of his room because we kept with the industrial farmhouse vibe.
The cage detail on the outside of the vault, and that goes with many of the harder, more industrial details throughout the room.
We just wanted to keep the matte black. We love the matte black.
The black on black gives the fan a much more modern feel, but this fan is also available in black and brass, which gives it a more glamorous and elevated design. The vault ceiling fan was originally inspired to go in a place very similar to where you would think to put a chandelier, whether you wanted to put it over a dining room table or anywhere that you wanted to make a grand statement, because that's what this fan is.
That was our driving direction as far as choosing fans, and we love fans in every room. Our very first fan in our bedroom was a Hunter fan, and it came with a remote. We love that feature about all of our fans here. They all have remotes, and you can mount them on the wall. We love that feature, so when you want to go to bed, you can just go grab it off the wall. You know right where it is. I will tell you, with all of our Hunter fans in our home, they look beautiful in the house, and they are statement pieces all on their own. You don't need a chandelier. You can choose a cool modern fan for any room in your home.